Imagine having a magical assistant that sets up your servers automatically. Well, that's Ansible. And Docker, it ensures your apps run smoothly, like a reliable lunchbox for your software. Now putting Ansible inside Docker, that's like having an efficient chef inside that lunchbox, ready to prepare meals for your servers effortlessly. By the end of this, you'll be wielding this power like a pro. I'm Amelia James, a technology expert with 13 plus years of experience designing and delivering human resource management systems that actually work for people. I specialize in building scalable integrated HR platforms that streamline processes, enhance employee experience, and give leadership real-time, actionable insights. Before jumping into installing Ansible over Docker, let's check if we're ready. Think of it like baking a cake. You need ingredients. A working Docker setup. That's your mixing bowl. Linux commands. Your utensils. Internet connectivity. Well, that's like ensuring you have access to the recipe. And of course, a pinch of Ansible knowledge helps. Don't worry, we're going step by step. Alright, let's roll up our sleeves and set up Docker. First, grab it from the official site. Kind of like downloading a superhero toolkit. Start the service to wake it up, make sure it's running smoothly, and check its version. No one likes outdated tech, right? Once that's done, you're ready to move to the next step. Think of Docker Hub as a giant supermarket for images. Your shopping list today. The official Ansible image. Just run a simple pull command and voila, you've got it. Now, double check to make sure you actually have it, because shopping trips without verifying your items can lead to surprises. Lastly, check dependencies so your setup runs smoothly. Now, it's time to bring Ansible to life inside a Docker container. Like setting up a campsite, we create a container first, then step into its terminal, kind of like pitching a tent and checking inside. Is Ansible installed? Good. Run a basic command and test things out. After all, you wouldn't start a road trip without checking if the car runs. Let's talk automation. Ansible Playbooks take the heavy lifting off your shoulders when managing Docker containers. First, make sure all dependencies are installed, because no one likes a failed deployment. Running playbooks efficiently requires the right inventory setup, and trust me, getting that wrong can lead to chaos. Finally, always check logs and handle errors gracefully, because debugging is basically the IT version of detective work. Managing Docker containers with Ansible is like being a maestro in an orchestra. Each container has its role, and Ansible helps them stay in tune. Define container states to prevent surprises, like a rogue container deciding to quit unexpectedly. Monitoring performance ensures smooth operations, so your containers don't feel like overworked employees. And yes, security matters. Automated setups should be locked down tighter than your secret snack stash. Ansible roles are like meal prep containers. You plan ahead, organize well, and save a ton of time. Instead of writing tasks repeatedly, reuse roles to scale your automation effortlessly. Keeping configurations separate is key, because mixing up environment settings is worse than mixing up salt and sugar. Finally, aim for modular and organized automation so your setup is elegant, not chaotic. Troubleshooting is where you earn your stripes. Errors happen, it's part of the game. Identifying common issues quickly saves you from unnecessary headaches. Ansible has great debugging tools, so use them instead of staring at error messages in despair. Networking hiccups, fix them with proper configurations, because containers love talking to each other. And always follow best practices to avoid the why is this breaking mystery at 2 a.m. Best practices make life easier. Keep your YAML clean. Bad formatting is a crime against automation. Optimize playbook execution because speed matters, especially when you're impatient like me. Idempotency ensures tasks run reliably without unexpected changes. Consistency is key. And don't forget security measures, because an unsecured setup is just an open invitation for trouble. Scaling is where things get serious. Docker Swarm and Kubernetes help handle larger deployments, keeping everything smooth. Dynamic inventories prevent you from manually managing endless configurations. Let Ansible do the heavy lifting. Optimizing resources means fewer crashes and more efficiency. Finally, monitor deployments religiously, because ignoring health checks is like ignoring low battery warnings. never ends well. We've covered a lot, but here's the takeaway. Automation makes life easier, especially with Ansible and Docker. If you're not automating, you're working too hard. Keep learning because both tools evolve, and staying ahead is always a good idea. If you're feeling inspired, explore more resources to deepen your expertise. And remember, great automation saves time, minimizes errors, and gives you extra hours to binge watch your favorite shows. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us.